Hey everyone, so I got this book, 642 Tiny Things to Draw, as I thought it'd help me in my drawing practice. I really enjoy drawing and I wanted to have some prompts, so this book's really good for that. I also filmed at the same time for TikTok, so you might see my phone popping up and down. So I flipped through the book and I've stopped on this, a pea pod. So I decided to do the 3 peas in a pod, like in the Toy Story film, as of course by now you probably know that I am a Toy Story fan. So I used this as my reference and I started to sketch out the shape. So once I had finished doing the outline, I picked out some of the colours I'd need. So obviously for this it was a few different shades of green. Then I used an eraser just to lightly erase the dark shade of the pencil. I then did swatches of the colour pencils and wrote their numbers down so I would know what these look like on the white paper. This is a really good reference. I think I saw someone do this in a TikTok or maybe on YouTube, and it's been really helpful ever since I've been doing it. And then once I'd done that, I started to colour in the picture, obviously using the one I showed at the beginning as my reference. I hope you enjoyed watching this and found it useful. If you want, you can slow the speed down using the settings and also follow along with me as I draw it. I will be doing more of these videos as I go through this book, so please make sure to subscribe to keep up to date with these. Please leave a like if you enjoyed watching. See you next time.